students, how are you all? I hope you are safe at home. Today I am Ruchika, your science teacher, is going to explain you chapter 7, that is getting to know plants. I hope you all know about plants. Every day we see many plants around us. So today we will learn about types of plants. So here we have 3 types of plants. Number 1 is herbs. Herbs are small plants, very small plants, whose heights are usually less than 1 meter. Okay? And the next is shrubs. These are medium-sized plants. The height of these plants lie between 1 to 3 meter. Okay? And the last is trees. These are tall plants. Their height varies more than 1 meter. Okay? So examples of herbs are grass. And of shrub is rose. And of trees are mango, people, etc. I hope you have understood each and everything. So in the next class we will look more about this. Stay active. Bye. Good morning students. How are you all? Today I am Ruchika, your science teacher, is going to show you the herbs, shrub and trees which we have discussed in our last class. So here, look at this grass. The height is usually less than 1 meter. So this comes under herbs. Okay. And this plant, the height is between 1 to 3 meter. So this comes under shrubs. And you can see the very tall plants behind me. These come under trees. I hope you have understood the concepts very clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello students. Today I, Ruchika, your science teacher, is going to show you the parts of a plant. So here I have taken a plant. So this part is known as the flower. You can see the beautiful flower and the leaves are here. And this part through which the leaves are attached are known as stems. And if I pluck the plant, so here are the roots through which the nutrients and minerals are transported to the stem. So I hope you have understood all the parts clearly. Thank you.
Hello students. Today we will learn more about our chapter number 7, getting to know plants. Today we will learn the different parts of a plant. The first part is the stem. The stem helps the water and minerals to go to leaves and other plant parts attached to the stem through narrow tubes inside them. The next is the leaves. It is also known as the food factory of a plant as it prepares food for the entire plant. It is an organ of a plant. The part of a leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called petiole. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. The lines on the leaf are called veins, and the thick vein in the middle is called the midrib. The design made by veins in a leaf is called the leaf venation. We have 2 types of leaf venation, students: the parallel venation and the reticulate venation. In the parallel venation, like in the leaves of grass, the veins are parallel to one another. So therefore, they are known as the parallel venation. And on the other hand, if the design is net-like on both sides of midrib, the venation is reticulate venation. The next part is the roots. The roots help in holding the plant firmly in the soil. They are said to anchor the plant to the soil. Roots absorbs water and minerals from the soil and then they give it to the stem for further distribution. We have 2 types of root: taproot and fibrous root. In a plant with a taproot system, the taproot is the largest, most central and most dominant root from which other roots sprout laterally. And on the other hand, If we talk about the fibrous root, it's a system is usually formed by thin, moderately branching roots growing from the stem. The next part, and the very beautiful one, is the flowers. A flower is the reproductive structure found in plants. The prominent parts of the open flower are the petals. The small leaf like structure are called the sepals. Now we will discuss the parts of a flower. We have basically two major group of parts of a plant, and they are the stamen and the pistil. The stamen is the pollen producing reproductive organ of a flower. On the other hand, the ovule producing part of a flower is known as the pistil. Here, the further subcategories of the parts of a stamen and pistil are there. So, first we will discuss the parts of a stamen. The number one is the anther, the part of the stamen where pollen is produced. And the next one is the filament. The filament is the stalk that connects to the anther. And the various parts of a pistil are style, stigma, and ovary. Style, it is a long, slender stalk that connects the stigma and the ovary. If we talk about stigma, it's a sticky platform at the top of the style where pollen is deposited. And the last one is the ovary, the enlarged basal portion of the pistil where ovules are produced. So, this is all about our chapter. I hope you have learned all the things. Thank you.